Hey guys, so today I upgraded to the Ninja 5-in-1 glass air fryer. So let's pop this bad boy open and see what it comes with. As you can see, this is a huge box for a portable air fryer. First box. Feels empty. Nothing. Let's see what's in the real first box. Got a nice little cardboard cut. Ooh. The 2.5 quart container. It's got the Ninja logo on the front. Those use oven mitts when the unit's hot. Okay, so this looks like it stays in there. And it comes with like a little platform too. Oh, that's cool. So it looks like your food is gonna sit elevated from the bottom of the glass Tupperware. A lot of great ventilation. So the whole thing gets crispy and everything gets cooked evenly. And it feels quality. Like, let's continue. Then you got your quick start guide. Safety instructions. Let's take a look at that. Looks like we got parts for, maybe this is a replacement. Ooh, okay. So we got another, oh, this looks like snap these on, so it's securely on and you can put that in your fridge. Right, what else? Using the removable adapter. Oh, so this is the adapter, I would assume, so the power pod can go onto the 4-quart container. All right, so here is the power pod. Here is the top. Okay, it's got a decent sized cord. I would assume that's like 2 or 3 feet. Here's the top of it. Nice blue color. Got your Ninja logo. A few quick start instructions. So as you can see, air fryers aren't too complicated. It's essentially an oven burner connected to a fan. So if you can see that, you got the burner right there. You see the coil going around and around, and there are blades in the back of it. So that's what kind of air fries your food. It's just hot air blowing on it. This is a big one. See, that is a very generous size. I was worried this was going to be too small compared to my last air fryer and it wasn't going to hold up, but this looks pretty good. Babe, do you think?
Oh, that's nice. I like it.
Looks like, no, it doesn't work. So, I think we have to use this adapter. I'm just going to start with the big one because my other one is pretty large as well. Countertop safe. Power pod adapter and containers are designed and tested to sit safely on countertop surfaces during cooking. So yeah, safe on granite, laminate, quartz, a butcher block, and marble. This is a power pod. This is your adapter. And we're gonna combine the two to make a mega sword. I think you gotta line up these with the grooves on the side. So there and there. See if it, yes. Okay, cool, perfect. Now let's see if it fits on the bigger glass container. Okay. So it looks like it doesn't attach completely to the container, it just sits over it and air fries whatever underneath it. Theoretically, during cooking, you could just go like this and then it turns off. I'm guessing there's some kind of safety mechanism that turns it off. So, yep, 10 long years, finally getting rid of this guy. It's been a long time coming. Oh, it's smaller and it's more compact. Look at that. Here is our Ninja Crispi 5-in-1. Okay, let's see how easy it is to use now too. So it looks like you just hit the mode button to select your cooking function. We'll do air fry for 13 minutes and hit start. Ooh, that's loud. Okay. So this portion right here is a little warm, especially in the back, immediately after cooking, but you can touch it. So just to be safe, I would assume that everything down here, like the glass container and the metal over here, it's gonna be super duper hot, so make sure you use gloves and handle it with care. And here's where my mic went out, but the fish turned out really good, real nice and crispy. I didn't show a picture of it on the plate because I kind of destroyed it right here, but. So the Ninja Crispi 5-in-1 air fryer is gonna come with a small, medium, and large container, each one of them having a top to it. So as soon as you're done air frying whatever you need to air fry, you just pop the top on and put it in the fridge. It's great. It also comes with the adapter, so you can seamlessly switch from the small container to the large container, depending on how many people you're cooking for. Overall, I think it was a great purchase. I'm gonna be using this a whole ton, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. If you wanna get one of these for yourself, Check out the link in the description. I'll have like an Amazon link. I do get a kickback. I think it's like $2 or $3 that I get for if anybody buys using my link. So I appreciate that. If you're gonna buy one anyways, help me out. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you the next one.